most thing that I enjoy about the job here at the library is I get a chance to talk and work with people all day. I've got a great staff that I work with, and as far as patrons, wouldn't have it any other way.
I come to work because I think it's important. We make a difference in people's lives. You know, folks come to us from a position where they want to move forward, and we help them with very basic services such as learning to read, to getting a better job, to having family time with their children, to learning resources in the community and engaging with other people in the community. That has real value, and that makes me feel good about the work that I do and what the library is doing.
I like knowing that what we do matters for people in the city of Detroit. And I've been doing that for the past 21 years.
What I love about my job is I know every day that I come here and I get to feel a part in helping keeping our staff and patrons safe, that they can come and have a safe and enjoyable time here at the library.
Well, what I enjoy most is speaking to groups and individuals about special collections and talking about the treasures that we have, from Motown materials to original automotive sales literature and things like Detroit Tigers materials. And then watching them get excited about that and discover what we have, and then they come to the collection and use the material.
Working with the children, I'm a children's librarian. I'm gonna tell you, children can be brutally honest. And if you don't come with your A game with them while you're doing your story time, you're doing your programs, they will let you know.
In the last 2 weeks, we had a new bookmobile delivered to the library. We implemented a major new policy change, going no fines. And today we were training staff who will be implementing a wash and learn program at local laundromats. So it's just different every day. It's all positive.
I've learned a lot of things that were very helpful and informational that I didn't know about the city, about the state, from customers that have come in.
What I find great about the culture, especially in special collections, is the dedication and hard work and teamwork of the special collections staff, which includes the digital lab staff, and their continued devotion to Clarence Burton's vision to collect, preserve, and make accessible to all our shared history.
The library is a place that makes a difference for people at all levels, for young people, for senior citizens, for people looking for a job opportunity. And that what we do is we treat them with the respect that they deserve as our customers. And we always give them our best effort to provide library service and information and programming. I would say that working at the library is a place where you have fun. There are challenges, but we've always been able to sort of work through those. And you work with people who are generally committed to the library's mission.
It's the fact that I get a chance to be of service to others, to tell them about the wonderful things that we have within the Detroit Public Library, and how we've been around for more than 150 years, and how many other places can they go to around here that have been around for at least 150 years and that have always provided service to the city of Detroit.
If you are willing to participate and take advantage of it, it provides one with an opportunity to participate in creating or propagating good things for all Detroiters.
And they're like, I didn't know that you can do all this at the library, and I didn't know the library was still open and everything. And I'm like, we're open, come in, have other people come in, and it's a good experience.
It's a place that for sure the staff really wants to help everybody.
So I think it's a very good place to be.